Alright, this is how to install Flutter in Windows 11 fast and easy. First, look up Flutter in your preferred search engine and head to its homepage or straight to the Downloads page. Here, choose Windows as the development platform. On this page, you can choose the type of your first app. Android is for building mobile apps. Web is for making apps that run in the browser. Desktop is for creating apps that run on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Pick the one you want to start with, but don't worry, you can switch or add platforms later. For this video, I will go with Android. Here you can verify if your machine meets the system requirements. Then scroll down to where it says Install the Flutter SDK and click the round download button. If you don't see it on your screen, that's probably because you have to switch here from Use VS Code to Install to Download and Install to reveal the download button. So, download it and check where you save your downloads. Then right-click the downloaded file, which is a compressed file that needs to be extracted, and extract it here in this same folder. This may take a while to complete. Once that's done, open the extracted folder and cut the inner Flutter folder to a location where it won't be deleted accidentally, such as your main drive, which is likely drive C. Paste it here as a standalone folder. Then feel free to delete the archive file and the empty folder. You won't need them anymore. Now go back to where you pasted the Flutter folder and open it. Then open the bin folder and copy the folder path from the address bar. You'll need it in a moment. Next, search for environment variables and launch it. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables at the bottom. In the next window, at the top under User Variables, double-click the entry that says Path. Click New, and here paste in the previously copied path address. To save it, click OK, then OK and OK again to close everything. Now open a terminal, and inside the terminal, type Flutter and run it. It will start building the Flutter tool for the first time and resolve dependencies automatically. Just let it finish everything. It may take a moment. And there it is. Flutter is installed, and all these commands are now available to use. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.